Beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I have ghosted you guys for so long now, but I'm back. So if you are new here, my name is Rachel and I post everything skincare tips, product reviews and beauty contents. So if you're a returning subscriber, hi bestie, thank you so much for tuning in to watch my videos. So on today's video, I want to put you guys on how to clear textured skin. A lot of you are battling with textured skin and you don't even know it. So in this video, I'll be teaching you what is textured skin, what causes textured skin, and how to get rid of textured skin. So if this sounds like what you're interested in watching, please kindly stick to this video to the end, and you guys please support me by liking this video, because I am a student and I am still making time to create this content for you guys. So please kindly support me by liking this video, subscribing, and also leaving a comment. Now let's dive into the video. What is textured skin? Textured skin is an uneven skin, bumpy look that comes from clogged pores, acne scars, makeup buildup, or even dehydration. It is totally common but very treatable. So if you are dealing with this bumpy textured skin, you shouldn't be worried. With the right to retin, you are going to get rid of this textured skin. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to practically use this product and how to treat this skin issue caused by clogged pores, makeup buildup. For those of you that use makeup and you just use your wipe to wipe off your makeup without washing your face with your cleansers, this is the reason why you have textured skin. This is the reason why you have these tiny rashes on your face. As much as we want to get rid of this textured skin, you also need to know the causes of this textured skin in order for you to prevent it, so not coming back to your face. So the first thing first, if you were over exfoliating your skin before, you might have clogged your pores and then it will lead to textured skin. The next thing is product buildup. For those of you that use makeup and you just use your wipe to clean your face without washing your face, this is going to lead to textured skin. Another thing is acne scars. For those of you that struggle with a lot of acne, it will lead to textured skin. The last is dehydration. If you don't drink water all the time, that is why they say water is very good while doing skincare. Even without skincare, water is generally good for your health. So that is why it is good for you to always stay hydrated. Now we've known the causes of this textured skin. Now let's look at how to get rid of it, how to treat it. This routine that I'm going to be putting you guys on is going to help you guys to get rid of textured skin. So if you are using harsh cleansers like salicylic acid cleansers before, this is the right time for you to stop, because your skin is already textured, your skin is already irritated to product, so you don't need any product that is going to irritate it more. So you are going to be starting out with gentle cleansers. I will recommend some gentle cleansers on the screen so that you can go and get it, and if you've been using it before, continue with it, and then you are going to see a huge transformation. A list of ingredients that you need to look out for while picking the right cleansers for your skin during this period. You need to look out for ingredients like glycerin, ceramides. These ingredients helps to strengthen your skin barrier, because this period your skin barrier is already damaged, so you need something that will revive your skin barrier back to life, easily irritated on your skin. Because once your skin barrier is broken, any product, even if it is a very hydrating product, it is going to irritate your skin, because your skin barrier is something that has been broken, and your skin barrier is one of the foundation of your skin. Once your skin barrier is broken, it is going to be very hilarious, because your skin is going to be easily irritated to simple and mild products. So look out for ingredients that contain ceramides. Ceramide is good for reviving the skin barrier, and also glycerin also helps to revive skin barrier. So these are the ingredients you are going to be picking out when you are choosing cleansers in this bumpy skin routine. Next product you'll be needing in this textured skin reviver routine is hydrating products. Yes, you need product that is going to bring life back into your skin, bring your skin, plump your skin back to life. So you need a very hydrating product. Hydration, you can opt for hyaluronic acid toners or niacinamide serums. This ingredient helps to plump your skin. It helps to smoothen out your skin texture, because hyaluronic acid is very good for hydrating the skin. It is very good for texture. Both niacinamide also is a very good textured product for textured skin. Niacinamide is one of the best products for textured skin. So I'm going to insert some niacinamide serums on the screen. Anyone you can afford, go and get it and start using it. The next thing is exfoliation. Exfoliation is the game changer, because exfoliation helps to remove dead skin cells that causes rough textured skin. Yes, there are two types of exfoliation, which are chemical exfoliation and physical exfoliation. So in this routine, we are going to be making use of chemical exfoliants, which is the use of BHAs and AHAs, which are glycolic acid and salicylic acid. So I'm going to recommend some products on the screen that you can use. These are very good exfoliants. Now, your exfoliation should be done 2 or 3 times in a week. Yes, in a week, because you don't need to exfoliate all the time. You can exfoliate 2 or 3 times in a week, and your exfoliation should be done during the night. Do not use this product during the day, because once you use this product during the day and you don't have a very good active sunscreen, it is going to worsen your textured skin. So you need to apply this chemical exfoliant during the night when you are not going anywhere, when you are just at home. There is no sunlight that is going to clog your pores, that is going to affect you. So these are the right time for you to use this product, and this product should be used just 2 times in a week before your skin get used to it, before you cannot increase it to 3 times in a week. So but for a beginner, I will advise you to use it even once in a week. Yes, you can use it once in a week because you're already irritated, so you don't need to irritate it more. So I will advise you use it once a week. Then once your skin start getting used to it gradually, you can increase the frequency at which you use the product. Using the targeted treatment, if you are struggling with acne scars, rough skin patches, try adding a retinol into your skincare routine. This increases cell turnover and helps to fade the skin over time. When using a retinol, you need to start slow, because retinol is a very potent ingredient. It's not supposed to be used every day, so make sure that you are not abusing it. You can start slow. You can start using it from 1 to 2 times in a week, and you need to use this product in the nights, and then in the morning you go in with your SPF. While using a retinol, please do not, because once you skip sunscreen, your face is going to be damaged. I'm for real, retinol is not a product that you need to mess with. So if you know you don't know how to use retinol, please stay out of it, because retinol is something that can renew your skin, something that can clear these skin issues, renew your skin, and your skin is going to be very beautiful. And it's also something that can damage your skin. Yes, it can damage your skin beyond repair. So if you know that you don't have the patience, you don't know how to use it, you are always keeping your sunscreen, please stay away from retinol, because retinol is going to damage your skin. Without sunscreen, you are going to be finished. So guys, the last but not the least product in this routine is sunscreen. All my videos, I've always preached about the use of sunscreen. Sunscreen is very important. If you like, buy the most expensive skincare in this world. If you are not using sunscreen, you are just playing with yourself, because everything is just going to go to waste, because sun is going to hit your face and it's going to damage your skin, and you will keep on struggling. You keep on struggling from these skin issues because you are not using sunscreen. So sunscreen is very important. It helps to protect your skin from the UV ray of the sun that is going to cause a lot of harm to your skin. So every day use your sunscreen. Morning, use your sunscreen. Even though, like, if you even have the opportunity to put it in your bag when you are going out, to reapply it like 2 times in a day, do it, because it is going to really help you. So sunscreen is very important. So while doing skincare, a lot of you guys think that skincare is just your physical look, your physical appearance. Most of you guys don't take care of your inside, which is your body, your inside, what you take in. So most of you do skincare and you don't even drink enough water, you don't eat veggies, you don't eat fruits, you don't take supplements. How are these products going to work? That That is why you spend a lot of money buying skincare products, buying expensive skincare products, and you keep asking yourself, why are these products not working? What am I doing wrong? Am I not following the right routine? Sometimes it might be from your inside. It might be that your gut health is struggling. Imagine doing skincare and you are not toilet every day. You are not using the toilet. Before you go to the toilet, it will take you 3 days, 4 days. How do you expect your skin to glow? Your skin is not going to glow because there are a lot of build up in your guts. You need to clear your guts. When your guts are healthy, your skin is going to glow. So make sure to take care of your skin, make sure to take care of your inside, make sure to eat good food, eat healthy food, drink water, and also stay very, very hydrated. Water should be your best friend, fruits should be your best friend, vegetables should be your best friend. Eat healthy, stop eating junks. When you're eating junks, you are not going to see the result that you're looking for. That is why it is very good for you to take care of your inside. Most time when you take care of your inside, and you will see that the less products you use, it will be more effective because you are healthy inside. So that is why it is very, very good for you to take care of your inside. So beautiful people, we've come to the end of this video. Please kindly give this very, very big thumbs up, subscribe. You guys should help me by subscribing because I don't know, I am seeing a lot of views, but you guys don't like my videos, you guys don't subscribe. What's the problem? Am I not giving you guys good tips? Please, what is the problem? You guys should please kindly subscribe. And also remember that this skincare is a very consistent journey. It's not something that happens overnight. So if you are using these routines, please make sure to be consistent. Don't think that it will happen like magic. It is not a bleaching product. It's only a bleaching product that you are going to see results in 3 weeks, 2 weeks. But if you are on a healthy skincare journey, you need to know that this product takes a lot of time for you to see results. So please be consistent and be patient. And I will see you, my beautiful people, on my next video. Stay safe, stay hydrated, and give this very, very big thumbs up. Bye guys.